Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You're starting the quick settings edit now. First, confirm your Android version and back up any important settings. Once ready, swipe down twice from the top to reveal the full control center. Then tap the pencil or edit icon. This opens the tile editor, which is where you'll add, remove, and rearrange controls. Do this immediately so you can see available tiles. Make sure your screen orientation is stable, and you have any required permissions prompted during the next steps. Now you'll add and arrange tiles. Drag any tile from the hidden area into the active grid to include it in your control center. Once placed, long press and move tiles to set priority. Put frequently used tiles toward the top left for thumb reach. If you want custom actions, install a tile app and follow its permission prompts. These apps register with the Tile API so you can add their custom tiles the same way. Once done, tap back or close the editor to save changes. Finish by exiting the editor and testing each tile. Tap to verify each control activates the intended feature. If a tile is unresponsive or missing, reboot the phone first. That often resolves UI hiccups. If problems persist, clear the system UI cache or force stop the tile app, then reopen the editor. Make sure any third-party tile app has the necessary permissions and its tile service is enabled. If you still see issues, reinstall the app or consult its settings for a...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.